Minisita Muhezi ahabwa enshonga z'abakozi Grace Mary Mugasa nuwahendire omushomo gw'abakuru b'abakozi ogutwire no guhindura Las Vegas Hotel aho murembo mbarara agambira ko entebe kanseje ya Public Service Pension Fund erukwija kwera kwiyama bafere kandi n'abakozi ba government abari kugarura nyuma imyaka ngo batakara ukakumura bacebwe
imyaka mukimanyire ngo you are very privileged ngo muina access to the computer, you rewind your years. Abantu kumanya government nenura kugikoramu timukwenda kuretayaringa ekunura okusanga omuntu akugamba nyowe nyine myaka 5 baito okuba n'ororo mubiri no murora kwera takiyasobora kukara tereke kurara. And you are like, how old are you actually? How old are you?
Before I call upon each of you to return to your stations, I wish to urge you to incorporate all that you've been told into your work plans.
Minister yakabukira abadisi abarukuremwa kure mirimo yabo bakabehera ministry.
Tukwenda kusaza mu moyo gwa stand. Ugukuleta emisimu kwikara mu bantu. Guruge mungu abantu bakisesinge payroll. Those who are working should access the payroll. But what surprises me, every day someone is complaining, and yet payroll management was decentralized to your votes.
Ogu yajumerera baka wabegisere nabo bukiko bwo kugaba imirimo abari kuguza imirimo n'abandi bakayika ku byama n'abana babishiki barakubaraganisa imirimo.
Nokapima akaisiki nokagamba isiki we are going to handle your issues after work. We will handle your issue. You find it in the office because during the day will be very busy.
The means by which we finance the obligation has significantly changed from non-contributory to a contributory arrangement.
Omuntebe kanseji abakozi ba government bona nibija kubana basharwa obucweka butano harigana ahamshara yabo government eri kubatera obucweka ikuma harigana kongo kutandikana emyaka 2 yo kubanza government neija kubaneza batera ho zona ahabwa TV West and Aidan Bataringaya.